La clase es en your group. Es viernes, el 27 de enero 2023. I hope you did the viernes dance at home. All right, so day dos, excuse me, day e-learning. You did a great job yesterday, knocked it out of the park, got your assignments in. I have a few people that I'm still missing your assignment, but for the most part, I have everyone's from yesterday, so good job. Job well done. Buen trabajo, clase. All right, so today, before we get started, make sure you've done your attendance check-in. That gets you counted as being present for the day that we're really not in school. We're learning online. All right, so you've made sure your attendance check-in is done. Let's get into what you're going to do today. Es un día de destinos. It's a destinos day. Destinos, viernes, a Destinos Friday. So you are going to watch episodio tres of Destinos. I didn't do a recap video because we have reviewed so much about episodios uno y dos de Destinos that I feel like you wouldn't pay attention to it anyway. So you are just going to jump in and start episodio tres of Destinos. Remember, this is where Raquel actually begins her investigation. La investigación de ella will take her to España. And so we will see where exactly Raquel goes first in her trip to Spain. So while you watch the ed puzzle, there will be some questions to complete. Some are multiple choice, some are open-ended. Make sure that you are reading the question and answering correctly. Some of us got caught the last time for not reading carefully. So make sure you're doing that. Once you've finished your ed puzzle, make sure you have completed and submitted your par and pesar for this week. That is due tonight by 11:59. Double check that you have your e-learning from Thursday done for my class and for all your classes, because you want to make sure you have everything completed and good to go. If you have any questions or concerns, send me a message and I will be happy to get with you. You do have a test coming up next week, remember, over La Familia. I have moved that test back another day. So I believe now it is on Jueves, Thursday. Make sure you're reviewing your Vocabulario de la Familia, and on the test, there will be obviously the vocabulary. You'll be using what we learned yesterday, me, me's, and day. And we have a couple other things to learn still. They're things you actually know how to do, just going to perfect your writing in Spanish a little bit more. All right, if you need anything, let me know. I will see you in lunes. Adios, mis estudiantes.